Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in health sentiment, with a score of plus 0.05 and a momentum of plus 1.10, which is unusual compared to our historical baseline. This uptick suggests an emerging optimism around health topics that hasn't been this pronounced in recent weeks. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, identifying not just the score, but also breaking down discussions into 20 semantic clusters, giving you a nuanced view of what's driving this sentiment. Imagine you're building a health app and need to understand public sentiment to tailor your content or features. With our API, you can analyze shifts in health discussions, helping you make data-driven decisions that resonate with your users. To explore this further, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.